YouTube channel.
Well,
You're so disgusting.
Well, a one-day-only special item at Ghirardelli Chocolate drew large crowds and long lines in San Francisco. Let's take a look. Yes, the Dutch Windmill at Golden Gate Park. Perhaps you're thinking about heading to the park today, maybe for a picnic. Maybe you're going to be outdoors with your own picnic. Now, something to consider.
Will follow suit.
Well, tomorrow is
Follow suit.
Do the same.
House plan to advance negotiations in an effort to move their truce into its second phase. Their delegates up its first game of the season. Plus, the Oakland Roots wrapped up its first game of the season.
The season game of the first game of the season.